What is going on? So Australia is probably going to be in lockdown soon, looking at the cases, and obviously by now all gyms are unavailable. In my situation, I had no equipment, but thanks to my girlfriend's cousin and her brother-in-law, we do have some equipment now. So what we do have is a rusted bar, probably around 10 kilos, and 2 screws. 20 kilo plate right there, 20 kilo plate right there, pair of dumbbells, so that's 5 kilo, 5 kilo, 5 kilo, 5 kilo, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. And we had this bar. The problem with this bar is that none of these plates fit on it. So that's why we got the rusted bar. And we're gonna attempt to grab vinegar and soak it in and see how we can get the rust off. Lastly, we got this epic bench right here. Possibly do it on a decline too. And I'm just gonna adjust this. And obviously here we have the leg extension and probably hamstring curls. And lastly, got the dips machine right here. And this is, I think, probably a DVD rack. And if we want to do a close grip dip, we can literally flip this over and use those two parts. But yes, that is the current situation, and training is not affected. Alright, so we have a bowl of vinegar. So what's that mix in? Is that vinegar? That's not vinegar, is it? What is it?
It's baking soda paste.
Okay, for all the viewers, when I said vinegar in the earlier video, I'm sorry, this is gonna be baking soda. Alright, so what's the plan now?
You're supposed to paste it all over. You have to let it set.
Like 5 hours, huh?
Until whenever it sets.
Man, if this bar is derusted, it would be awesome because we can literally squat, deadlift, and bench with it. Because for the other bar, the plates don't fit at all, and it would be a blessing. Otherwise, if the derust does not work, I'm probably gonna tape the bar, the rusted part, and just make do with whatever we can, honestly.
One eternity later.
Just make it smooth so you don't get.
It does look smoother, doesn't it? That is pretty good. Before, it was literally coated with like rust, like I think it was like orangey brown rust. At least now it's like, it's better. It's better.
Better.
That looks pretty okay. So yeah guys, baking soda actually works. Actually works. Okay, so now I'm gonna help her out. Hello cat, how you doing? What's up? Alright, so I figured that I should have probably soaked it in vinegar instead, and probably for a longer amount of time. Rather than 30 minutes, I should have soaked it for probably a day, 2 days maybe? Because as you can see, there's still a little bit of rust there, but hey, we did a pretty good job. So I've been adding duct tape to this, and it's been working pretty well. Alright, so today I'm going to take you guys through my chest workout. Pretty much it's going to be the bench press, the incline dumbbell bench press, and then we got the dip machine right there, which is the DVD rack. And the last workout I'll probably be doing push-ups, or maybe like towel flies. But we'll see how we go, and the workout begins in 3, 2, 1.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should
what, once the gym actually reopens, I'll be very, very, very grateful. Because if you take a look right here, see the incline bench press? Well, this can be subbed into a flat, decline, and incline. But the problem is, see those two towers right there, 1 and 2? They're not tall enough to support me when I do it my incline bench press. Obviously I'm a short guy, but my arms aren't that short. So technically, if I show you guys an example, I would be right here. You'd be right here, sitting down, right? Grab the bar, right? When I'm struggling, and you slam it against it, I can't. It's gonna be like this. And then I'm gonna die. So yeah, that is literally why I'm not incline benching, even though I could incline bench more than I dumbbell bench, because the max the dumbbell can load on is about 18 kilos on each side, and that is not ideal because ideally I incline bench 35s each side. Man, I'm really gassed out after the workout. So yeah, if you guys got a barbell, do try this workout at home. You don't have a bench, you can do on the ground bench. It actually works and it's safer if you don't have a spotter. But yeah. And honestly, in this whole quarantine thing, time is literally on your side. So you don't really have the excuse like how we used to have, saying like, oh, can't do this because I have work, can't do this because I'm going to hang out with my friends, can't do this because of homework, whatever it is. Time is literally on your side right now. And you can use this time to plan for your future, use this time to invest in yourself. Like mentally, mental health is really important. And I think the biggest investment you can probably make is within yourself. That's facts right there for you. And yeah, I literally have been just working on my uni assignments, trying to be consistent, because I know I'm really not consistent with that. And working out has been pretty fun. That takes up most of my day, as well as cooking. Well, sorta. My girlfriend does most of the cooking. But yeah, so far it's just been uni, gym, cooking, sleeping, playing Fortnite. That's my bad. I stay up for like an extra hour to just play Fortnite. I mean, like, look, it's fun. It's pretty fun destroying kids online. Anyhow, just staring at me right there. Anyhow, that wraps up today's vlog. And yeah, I think it's best to just, if you want to derust a bar or a plate, best to just grab like a Tupperware or like a big box and just fill up with water and vinegar and then soak in for like a day or two. I think then the rust will come off. But otherwise, that is it for today's episode. Your boy is out. Catch you next time.